friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen mac and cheese bites in the air fryer. So this is a tasty frozen appetizer of breaded mac and cheese called mac and cheese bites. Let me open up the package. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm just going to put mac and cheese bites in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the mac and cheese bites. Look at that, perfectly cooked. They look amazing. Nicely golden brown breading and gooey cheese inside. See, some of it is melted. You can see the cheese. So let's take them out of the air fryer. So delicious. See how crispy? The breading is so crunchy. Now let me just cut one so you see the cheese inside. Wow, so gooey. Look at that mac and cheese. It looks amazing. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So good. It tastes amazing. You are going to love making this breaded mac and cheese bites in your air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!